Hello, and welcome to this overview of the Cynet 360 Autonomous Breach Protection Platform. Cynet 360 is the ideal threat management solution for managed service partners. The platform natively combines several security components to reduce your operational costs. An XDR, Extended Detection and Response, a consolidated pre-integration platform of multiple security solutions. Response automation, where protection for your clients is already built in through Cynet's auto playbooks on your own customized playbooks. On top of this, our partners receive unlimited access to Cynet's 24/7 proactive managed detection and response services at no additional cost. Cynet 360 comes as a single unified offering with one single pricing. Cynet supports multi-tenancy to easily manage all of your clients' security in a single dashboard with a true separation down to the data. Cynet can be used either as a fully managed or a co-managed model, allowing service providers to support clients' hybrid environments and multiple instances. Let's look now at the Cynet 360 Autonomous Breach Protection Platform. We begin with the main dashboard, which centralizes all the client's alerts in real time. Here, you'll find a drop-down that allows you to easily navigate to each client's environment in a single-tenant mode. Cynet supports various methods of deployment such as RMM, MSI, GPO, Group Policy CCSM, and Cynet's own dispatcher with the ability to deploy to up to 5,000 hosts in less than an hour. Once deployed, you can see a map of your environment assigned to different scan groups. For each group, you can assign different policies, customizations, whitelist rules, and enforcement actions. First, the XDR component provides unified multi-layer protection. This is Cynet's alerts view. As opposed to single-point solutions that provide limited alert types, Cynet XDR's extended coverage is able to generate 4 different categories of alerts: files, users, hosts, and networks. This dashboard is designed for the service provider, as it aggregates all the alerts for all customers in real time, sorted by latest to earliest, and each alert shows the client's name. This dashboard enables you to prioritize alerts by filtering according to alert severity, type, and more options. You can simply go to an alert and open up an indicator window without any need to navigate to separate panes for more alert details. You can find there, for example, the alert's description including hostname, IP, OS version, and the exact time it was detected. You'll find the full process tree and path showing where the executable exists on the client's network. Time to move on to Cynet's response automation capabilities. Cynet fully automates the entire response workflow, reducing manual effort and ensuring important response details and actions are performed. Let's explore some of the response actions you can take both automatically and manually. For this, we'll go back to the Alerts page and click on one of the alerts. By clicking on the Action button, you have 4 action tabs. You can manually whitelist the file if you want. The Analysis tab gives you the option to engage with Cynet's MDR team. Send the file to Cynet's pre-integrated sandbox for central analysis, verify, or pull the file. You can also perform remediation actions directly through the console. For instance, delete a file, enable or disable a user, or shut down a machine. You can even run playbooks which run multiple associated remediation actions. You can use Cynet's built-in playbooks or customize your own. Editing your own playbook is easy. You can add or change the flow through a simple drag-and-drop menu. You can, for example, create playbooks per industry. Within seconds, you've configured your own auto playbook, and you can even have your own playbook run automatically on that specific alert. One of the most powerful tools in the Cynet platform is the incident engine unique to Cynet. The incident engine provides you with automated incident response actions laid out on a visual timeline for immediate understanding of the incident, from root cause and scope of attack to resolution. Let's take a look. For this alert, the incident view launched an automated investigation flow. The incident engine starts by asking a series of questions, the steps colored blue, to determine the root cause and scope of attack. When it has findings, the steps colored red, it can take automated actions to remediate the threat, the steps colored green. And we see that all necessary remediation actions were taken to resolve the threat, all automatically. The top bar shows a summary of everything that took place: description, impact, root cause, remediation, and further actions. Incredibly, the complete investigation through resolution in our scenario required a mere 1 minute and 6 seconds. Let's proceed to forensics, which allows you to further investigate across the environment. You have the ability to set a search based on fields and correlate them, and the results are retrieved from your entire environment. You can save a search, or better yet, save it as a policy so an alert will pop up for any result of that search, allowing you to create more auto-remediations for that newly defined alert type. The file monitoring capability enables you to search for various operations made on files in your system, say due to regulatory requirements or to better estimate the impact of an incident in your environment. After a few minutes of implementation, Cynet provides full network visibility and discovery, a bird's-eye view of your client's environment. By adding the decoys option, you see decoy hosts, files, and users, honeypots to trap the attacker. This deception technology is highly valuable to detect various types of attack such as ransomware. How does the Cynet engine work? In the forensics page for an alert, you first encounter a full flow timeline from the moment Cynet discovered the threat until this moment. In the middle, you can see the infected host, and on its left all the files, users, and network segments that were connected to that infected host. On the right-hand side, you can find all the artifacts from all engines. Cynet defines their type, severity, and attaches a score to the artifact. These scores set a baseline as to when the auto playbook comes in place. Cynet provides reporting capabilities designed for your needs. You can choose to send any of Cynet's built-in integrated reports. You can define how frequent you want to send the report and define what you'd like to be included in the report, such as the type of alerts or the amount of alerts by severity and status. And of course, what remediation action was performed at what time and where. Cynet enables you to easily create security policies for different groups within your client's environment to set up alerts when a device is out of policy. For instance, you can choose to set a baseline on OS and application patch versions, blacklist applications, or validate on each device which additional third-party agents are installed. Furthermore, the scan groups allows you to create an image or an agent that you can simply duplicate and create different policies for these, such as enabling or disabling a feature. Finally, let's look at Cynet's managed detection and response team. To ensure that nothing is overlooked, Cynet's solution includes CyOps, Cynet's 24/7 MDR service provided to all partners at no additional cost. The CyOps team of cybersecurity experts proactively engages with your team, providing guidance and remediation assistance for your clients. Additionally, the CyOps team often generates insightful reports in response to new threats and client requests. This type of report includes an executive summary, a high-level description of what occurred, where the threat came from, and associated indicators of compromise. This video provided a glimpse into Cynet's 360 Autonomous Breach Protection Platform. Please reach out to learn how you can use this powerful, cost-effective platform to provide your clients with the full security protection that they need, while removing the burden and resources of managing, analyzing, remediating, and responding to threats across multiple environments.